Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Arbor networks, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure you have Arbor networks installed on your system. Open Arbor networks by double-clicking the application icon. Once the program launches, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Locate the main menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the network monitoring option to start. You will see real-time analytics about your network traffic. To examine specific traffic patterns, select Traffic Analysis from the sidebar. Use the Date Range Picker to filter data for customized insights. For detailed reports, click on the Reports tab in the main menu. Choose the report type that best fits your needs, such as Top Talkers or Application Analysis. After selecting a report type, customize the parameters as necessary. Once you've set your parameters, click on Generate Report. Allow a few moments for the data to compile. Once ready, review the report for critical insights into your network. If you need to monitor threats, navigate back to the main menu. Select Threat Intelligence to access information on potential risks. Here, you can view alerts and incidents related to your network security. To configure alerts, click on the settings icon in the upper right corner. Adjust your alerting preferences according to your security policies. Ensure to save your changes before exiting the settings menu. Finally, regularly check back to the dashboard for any updates or alerts. This process will help keep your network safe and efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.